Hey guys, I'm going to play Roblox again since I played it yesterday. I finished my chores. Yeah. So I might play Shard Seekers. Hold on, cause it says join group for a free puppy. And I know what's happening. All right. Oh my gosh, this always happens. All right, I'm back. I just did that, and I think you can have a free puppy now. Let's see, go on here. Let's see if I join the group. Yay! Yeah, now I have to. So apparently now I get a free puppy. I'm just curious on what puppy. Ooh. So I got this one. It is a Shard Seeker, actually. Apparently that's the dog name. So I'm gonna name it, since this one's K, it's gonna be K Thin. See what I did there? K Thin. I don't even know if that's how you spell it. Otherwise, I guess he helps you find shards. I was gonna say animals, but I don't. See, they only have the sitting. I'm a cute fat puppy. Wait, don't go. Oh, there's a bear. Uh-oh, she's dead. Alright, so, there's something I wanted to show you. And let me hurry this process up. Damn. With the fox, it would have been more difficult. That's why I picked the fox. With the fox, it would have been more difficult. Never mind, I mean the cat. That's why I picked the cat. Just one question. Why does he follow me? Never mind. Alright. If I fall. Oh! Oh my god! And there's a big shard up there. You guys know I didn't realize that was up there. I literally didn't even realize that, so I saw a white, shadowy thingy. Jump! Why? How did that? Jump! Jump! Oh, that's how I did it. Okay. I just bring air in while I'm gonna talk, so it sounds weird. I achieved something new, guys. I achieved something new. And I fell again. I might go live one day. Not today. Maybe today. I don't know. We'll see. You know. So, I don't know if it's gonna be drawn. Don't ask. Please do not ask. I'm still thinking about that one. Maybe Roblox. Okay, no. Alright, as you can see, please stand by. Please, because, like, this looks terrible. Yes! I got up. If I fall. So, I'm gonna do bloopers, because, like, I'm gonna do, like, cut off camera parts, like, bloopers, so, like, you know. Hope you guys enjoy the bloopers, and after the video, like, when the video is done. That gave me two. That's mean. If you guys want to see what my character looks like, this is Caitlin. Because I don't know. I was bored. I didn't know what to name the characters. And this is the midget. And no, I still haven't gotten I forgot what it's called. The Hobbit. See what I told you? They give you shards. Bam. Now to what I wanted to show you. Sorry, please stand by. Alright. Yeah, I am totally far away from that thing. I have to cut through the stream. See? Okay, so to keep going forward like this. Are you kidding me? Well, I going the correct way? No, I'm not. Hold on. I'm a glob. Uh-oh, my game is glitching. This is like the awkward silence. Literally. And then I think I'm gonna have to go this way. Right? Yeah. Alright. So I'm gonna turn into my fox. Unless you wanna see me going. I don't know if you want to, so like I think I'm gonna put a standby and then bloopers maybe. Maybe the bloopers. You know? So let me take a pause. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let me pause it. So after a while I'm trying to kill a scorpion and then dying because my character had low health. This is where we are. Because I got mad and I'm like, you know what? No, I'm not gonna kill the scorpion. And trust me, even the first time I failed. Nope. Failed. I failed. Alright, hold on. Let's see. Bam! So I'm gonna put that in the bloopers because I kind of got annoyed. And then I was mad. So like, let's see. Let's see if I put that there. Look, people speaking Spanish. Yay. Yay! Now, where am I going? I think I'm supposed to go this way now. Alright, so if you've been seeing where I'm trying to go, you know where I'm going. If you play rolblox and shard seekers, whatever it's called, you'll know where I'm trying to go. Sky Village, if for the people that don't know. My phone just glitched. It gives me an inch back, but you know. Look. It looks so cool. I like how the tree just disappeared and then came back. How cool. Do I like jump up there? I think I have to. But bam! No, I can't. I'm too short. Can't I just find another way up? I think I found one. Normally, I'm like my human and it doesn't work out. But my cousin showed me the direction to go and I literally forgot how to get up here. So bear with me, guys. Bear with me. You know what's funny? If I was a bear, that would be such a pun. But I'm not. So like, let me just close the chat because that chat's getting annoying. Ahoo! Please stand by, please. It's like 30 years later. I'm about to jump and get that purple shard. That thing is absolutely ginormous. Oh, and there's a lot of shards there. Uh-oh. Oh. So when I go there... Sorry, guys. I'll do that part... Oh, actually, that's how you get up there anyway, so, you know. I'm being smart right now. Not that smart, but, you know, smart. I'm gonna get more shards. And my game keeps glitching. Yep. Alright, so... There's one shard over here. And that card just takes forever for you. Like, hurry up, please. Thank you. Bam! You know what I realized? My fox is faster than my cat. See? The purple shard. Yes. We've discovered the natural habitat of the purple shard. If that's even the name. I don't know what I'm doing. I should have put down bloopers. Man! Where's the shard? Oh. Man. I'm lost. I don't think I should have jumped down. Oh, man! Keep going. Okay, so I'm gonna put bloopers in here because, like,